ready to examine the challenge? Now, this stage is called examine because students are now researchers. They are ready to obtain information that will help them solve the challenge and brainstorming possible solutions. We listed topics for their research, such as littering, what are landfills. I introduced to them to the word compost. Now, my role is to prepare these materials for them, print out articles, create QR codes so they can have access to the videos on the topics. I also planned small groups and guided reading to help them interact with the text and make more meaning of what they're reading. So what page can we contact? Can we find the problem?
Oh, on page 4 it says community.
All right, so let's turn to page 4. Another activity that we did was we engaged in an interview. And this is in connection to our QFT question, which is who do we contact about this littering in our school? Also very important to make sure that you're giving opportunity for the students to engage in a discussion. Something that you shouldn't do is to be the leader of the discussion. That's why it's important to model at the beginning.
That is an important concern.
Yes.
I heard you say that you noticed the black smoke and all the smoke was going into the environment, and that could be really bad for them.
Yes. So make sure you step back in the discussion and make sure that the students are the ones sharing their ideas, asking and answering questions.
A lot of things we saw, and then we wanted to help out. That's why we're teachers.
Students now are working in groups and brainstorming possible solutions. And ideas that they came up with were impressive.
We can go to the local government and make like a note to them, compost, and we can make a cafeteria announcement.
So
To show pre-K to 5th grade how to recycle, like show that we have garbage, and then we could tell them which bin should we throw it in.
students were able to wrap up all the information they've obtained.
And most of the trash is thrown in the wrong bin. Like when Mrs. Jordan had boxes that were empty and threw them in the gray bin when they're supposed to be in the blue bin.
But overall, they were just so excited.
Proud. Amazed. Happy. Emotional. Questionable.